Easy side hustle. Make money online by typing. Hey there, savvy viewers! Ever wondered how to turn your spare time into some serious cash? Well, you're in luck because that's exactly what we're diving into today. This is Profitability Plus, the channel where we keep it real, no fluff, and no nonsense. If you're all about finding legit ways to make that extra dough, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Welcome to Profitability Plus, where we cut through the noise and focus on what really matters, helping you boost your income. No corporate mumbo-jumbo here, just straightforward, practical tips and strategies to help you make the most of your time and resources. So if you're ready to level up your financial game, you're in the right place. Subscribe, join the community, and let's make those dollars together. Now, let's dive into the main topic. Rev.com, a platform accessible through a simple Google search, is our focus today. Accurate transcripts are essential, whether you're a content creator or a professional. Rev.com has proven to be a valuable resource for ensuring precision in transcriptions, making it an indispensable tool for creating documentaries, interviews, and various content. It's not only reliable but also affordable, with transcription services priced at just $1 per minute. Now, let's explore the opportunities Rev.com offers. Number 1. Transcriptionist. This role pays between 30 cents and $1.10 per audio minute. Transcriptionists listen to audio recordings or watch videos, accurately transcribing spoken words into written text. You'll need strong typing skills, attention to detail, and the ability to follow provided style guidelines and templates. Rev.com provides the necessary software, so all you need are good headphones. This isn't just about typing what you hear, it's about being the bridge between spoken words and written text. You'll dive into interviews, meetings, podcasts, and video content, turning speech into written records. The key here is precision. Rev.com doesn't just hand you a task, they provide the software and tools you need to excel. All you bring are your typing skills and a good pair of headphones. We can't stress this enough. In the world of content creation and professionalism, accurate transcripts are the unsung heroes. They're the puzzle pieces that transform scattered words into a meaningful story. Rev.com steps into this role seamlessly, ensuring your transcripts are not just good, but immaculate. Picture crafting a documentary without transcripts. It's like navigating in the dark. You need the clarity, and Rev.com delivers. Now, let's talk money. We all love a good deal, right? Rev.com isn't just accurate, it's affordable. At just $1 per minute for transcription services, it won't break the bank. Whether you're a budding filmmaker, a podcast producer, or anyone who relies on pristine transcripts, this pricing is a game changer. You're getting quality without emptying your wallet. Number 2. Captioning. Captioners can earn between 54 cents and $1.10 per audio minute. They create captions or subtitles for videos, making content accessible to the deaf or hard of hearing, as well as non-native speakers and those in noisy environments. Proficiency in English grammar and spelling is essential, along with knowledge of captioning guidelines and software provided by Rev.com. Captioning isn't just about adding text to videos, it's about inclusivity. You're the one who ensures that content reaches everyone, whether they're deaf, non-native speakers, or in a noisy cafe. Your English grammar and spelling prowess come into play here, along with a solid grasp of captioning guidelines. Rev.com backs you up with the software you need to make it happen. Number 3. Subtitling. Subtitlers can earn between $1.5 to $3 per audio minute. They translate or convert content from one language to another, ensuring that meaning, context, and cultural nuances are accurately conveyed. Being bilingual or multilingual is a requirement for this role. If you're a language enthusiast, subtitling is where your skills shine. It's not just about translating words. It's about preserving context, cultural nuances, and meaning. You're the bridge between languages, ensuring content resonates with audiences worldwide. Being bilingual or multilingual is your superpower, and Rev.com recognizes it by offering higher earnings for this specialized role. Setting up your Rev.com account is straightforward. Fill out basic information and take a skills test to demonstrate your ability to perform the chosen task. Passing the test grants you access to available projects almost immediately. Each project lists its payment and estimated completion time, allowing you to choose tasks that align with your schedule and earning goals. Now, let's discuss how to make $500 within 24 hours from two perspectives. Scenario 1. The Marathoner. Imagine dedicating 24 hours to achieve a financial goal, such as paying for your child's school fees or covering a medical expense. Working around the clock at an average rate of $0.60 per audio minute, assuming transcription services, you could earn $504. Now for Scenario 2, the Sprinter. For a more realistic approach, consider working for 12 hours. With 70 minutes of audio per hour at the same $0.60 rate, you could still make $504 within 24 hours. The key to success on Rev.com lies in selecting projects wisely and working efficiently. Here are some tips to maximize your earnings. Prioritize higher earning tasks. When you're on the platform, you'll notice a variety of tasks with different pay rates. Here's the deal. Focus on the ones that pay you more for your time. It's a bit like picking the juiciest fruit from the tree. By tackling higher paying tasks first, you'll maximize your earnings in less time. Take short breaks to maintain quality. Now, we're all human, right? Even if you're in a marathon mode, don't forget to give yourself those little breaks. Think of them as pit stops during a long journey. These short breaks help you recharge and keep your work quality top-notch. Grab a snack, stretch, or just take a breather. It'll make a difference in the long run. Prepare a quiet, distraction-free workspace. Imagine trying to concentrate on your tasks with a noisy background. Not fun, right? Whether you're working from your bedroom or a cozy corner, make sure it's a distraction-free as possible. Silence your phone, shut the door if you can, and let your workspace become your productivity sanctuary. Trust me, it'll boost your efficiency. Making $500 in 24 hours might seem like a challenge, but with dedication, a well-thought-out strategy, and hard work, it's achievable. Remember, we're not affiliated with Rev.com in any way. We're simply sharing an opportunity that works. Don't wait any longer. It's time to turn your spare time into a source of significant income. Until next time, take action and walk your path to financial success.